So for example, if you're writing a paper on a different country and you want to interview a person from that country, you can cite that person's interview. You can cite videotapes, audio tapes, you can cite cartoons, editorials, you can cite billboards, anything, okay, that you can use in your paper, you can cite. All right, so be aware of that. But there are ways of citing for each different kind of source. So in this case, the one that your instructor gave us, this source is an article, right? And if it were an article from a magazine, you would cite it one way. But this is an article not from a magazine, but from an internet website, which means you cite it a different way. And so for every type of source, there's a different way of citing. And these two books will show you how to cite them. All right? Now I want to show you something else on the library's website. In case the librarian is not around or the library is closed, there is on the library website a chat feature. Okay, this is the library's website, www.lac.edu/library. If you go to here, it's 24/7 live chat with a librarian. So at any time of the day or night, if it's 2 in the morning, 4 in the morning, if you click on this, you will be in contact with a librarian somewhere in this country. You know, it could be at Harvard, MIT, it could be at Berkeley, it could be here at West. And if you ask them a question about how to cite anything, or for that matter, how to do research on a topic, or you want to check a fact, they will help you. That's a pretty good resource to use, yes? So just be aware of that. So in case when the library's closed, you can't get to these books, or you can't ask a librarian here physically, you can contact a 24/7 chat librarian on the library's website. All right. So just so you're aware of that. Okay, so we're going to cite this article, right? And typically what you need to do is to find the author first, right? So do you see the author on this page?
Yes.
Yes, Ed
Ed
Hornick.
Okay. So we know it's by Ed Hornick. So on your works cited page, and I'll just type in works cited, center it, and then left margin again. You would type in his name, but last name first, right, comma, and then his first name, all right? And then the next thing you would do is type in the title of the article, which is
Lincoln's playbook.
Help
Obama
Lincoln's
in
playbook
the-
help Obama in the years ahead. Now, one of the great things about having a computer is that you don't have to type this. You just copy and paste. Thank you. So you can do that. Right-click, highlight it. Right-click, click on copy. Go back to your Word document. Control-V, or you can do right-click and paste. Okay. You see what happened though? It turned into bold print. We can't have that on a works cited page. So you go to this little folder or little clipboard at the lower right-hand corner, click on it, and then you click on Match Destination Formatting. And click on that bullet. And that'll take you to the regular size and font. But it's still bold. So you have to highlight this section here that's bolded. You go up here and click on the V, and that'll take it to regular font format. Yeah? And there's a couple more changes you have to do to this. One is that you have to capitalize the words in the title. Okay, so Can and Lincoln are already capitalized, and Obama too, but you also need to capitalize playbook, help, the years ahead. Now there's one word I didn't capitalize, and that's the word in, and that's because it's a preposition, and you don't capitalize prepositions in a title. Did you cover prepositions? Good. So other words that are prepositions are, for example, what besides in?
Of.
Of, yeah. What else?
On.
don't capitalize. But the word the is a small word, but it's not a preposition, you would capitalize. You would also capitalize the word a, because it's not a preposition, all right? Okay, so one other thing you have to do here to this title, and that's to put it in quotation marks, like that. Right? All right. Is that right so far? Okay. The next thing you have to indicate is, after the author of the title, is the source of where you found the article. And in this case, the source is called what? Yeah, very good. cnnpolitics.com. I wonder if I can do this. Nope, I don't think so. So that we'll have to type in. cnnpolitics.com, period. All right. And then the next thing is the date of the publication. And sometimes dates on websites are a little bit tough to find. In this case, it should be pretty easy. Oh, yeah. It's right here, right? November 19th, 2008. So I'm going to copy and paste this, but we're going to have to make some formatting changes later on. Oh. So November 28th. Copy. Go back to our document. Right-click and paste. And then we go back to the little clipboard, right? To match destination formatting. And there you go. Debold it, and now we make some other changes. First, the MLA, you know, the organization that prepares this book, wants you to put the date in all the months. So if it's a long month like November, you abbreviate it or shorten it to NOV period 2008. Okay? If it's a 4-letter month like June, you can spell out the whole, May. If it's basically one syllable, right? If it's two syllables or more than your abbreviates, like for example, July, J-U-L, April, A-P-R, the first 3 letters basically. Okay, the next thing you would do is to indicate if it's a website that is from the internet, like typing in the word web, okay? And then the last thing is the date that you found the article. In my case, it's today, right, which is 21 April 2010, and period. Oh, forgot to tell you. This part right here, the source, has to be italicized. Okay, so are we done? Have you guys done this before? Oh, first time. Well, you wouldn't know. There's still some more formatting changes. One is that this has to be, every citation in your works cited page has to be double spaced, just like your sentences in your paper. So you would double space this, you can click it, or I guess better yet, I would just click it. Just click it and then indent by hitting the tab key. And every sentence after the first one is indented 5 spaces or half an inch. Okay, and that's it. It's a lot simpler than it used to be in prior editions. This edition actually simplifies a lot of citations for you. But that's basically it. So author, last name first, the title in quotation marks, the source, in this case CNN Politics, italicized, the date of the publication, the date it was published on the web, the fact that it is from the web, and then the date that you found it. Okay?